told not to dream beyond your limits? Yes, I'm asking this because I was told this every single day by the people around me. They would say, जितनी चादर है उतने ही पैर फैलाओ, सपने तुम उतने ही देखो, जितने कि तुम पूरे कर पाओ. Dream should be as big as we can afford them to be. But here I am, standing in front of you all, as Shabana Ansari, a Karm Shakti and a current Vedika scholar, a living proof that sometimes it's okay to not agree with what seems practical. Because I wasn't born to just survive, I was born to make things happen. And I am making things happen. But the journey was not that easy. At home, restrictions were everywhere. I still remember when I passed my 12th grade, my father wanted me to pursue graduation through distance learning so that I have time to prepare for government exams because in Bihar, all we value is sarkari naukri. At that time, I wanted something to start with because in my head, I was clear that I wanted my graduation to be a full-time and face-to-face experience. And I was lucky because just then I came across Karm, my savior. But my mind was filled with hundreds of questions. What Karm was about? What value would it add to my life? And even if all was good with them, how would I make it happen? Someone whose language was poor and professional goals were unclear. ये जो इंग्लिश में बोल रही हूँ ना आज, मुझे कुछ नहीं आता था. And Karm made it happen for me. I was raised to only be a good obedient wife and raise babies, not to join the workforce. I was raised to be a good daughter-in-law who can cook thrice a day, not to have ambitions. And in that process, I learned everything. मैं सच बताऊं तो मुझे सब आता है. झाड़ू, पोछा, बर्तन, कपड़े धोना, खाना बनाना, मेहंदी लगाना, यहाँ तक कि सिलाई भी करना. मुझे सब आता है. And I don't regret learning any of this, but still, I refuse to be limited by the expectations put on me by the society. Because I was fighting for my dreams. I was fighting for the dreams and the life I wanted for myself in future. It was Radhika ma'am who told me that, look Shabana, it's only you who can make it happen. It's only you who will have to fight for the dreams and the life you will be living in future. She was the one who encouraged me to do so. But challenges didn't stop at home because society also had its eye on me. क्योंकि मैं वहाँ रहती हूँ जहाँ हर किसी के घर में क्या चल रहा है से मतलब होता है. हाँ, मैं वहाँ रहती हूँ. I have encountered with the people who would come to my house to have a cup of tea with my father and would pass comments like, ऐसा कौन सा कॉलेज संडे को भी खुला रहता है. Basically, they were referring to Karm. क्योंकि on Sunday, जब सब छुट्टियाँ मना रहे थे, हम कर्म वाले मेहनत कर रहे थे for a better future. And those people would not just stop there. They would further add by saying, लड़कियों को फ़ोन नहीं देना चाहिए, लड़कियाँ तो बिगड़ जाती हैं. And me, as बिगड़ी हुई शबाना, standing in front of you. करनी ही है तो सरकारी नौकरी करो, वरना घर के काम करो. ऐसे जीन्स पहन के जो तुम जाती हो, पता भी है मोहल्ले वालों से कितनी बातें सुनवाती हो. Simple jeans and t-shirt was not allowed to wear at home. I used to go to college wearing suit and covering my upper body with dupatta. because I was not allowed to wear that. And the very first time I wore jeans and curm t-shirt, people in my society said to my mother, आपकी बेटी बहुत ही मॉडर्न हो गई है, देखा था आज हमने जीन्स पहन के जा रही थी, शबाना की मम्मी अभी संभाल लो वरना बाद में तो हाथ भी नहीं आएगी. And that's when I realized that every word was meant to stop me. Every comment made by them was designed to tell my parents that I was breaking social norms. And yet, with every restriction, my determination only grew faster. At this point, I realized that I wasn't just fighting for education, but I was fighting for the rights to live my life on my own terms. And as things got ahead, things got a bit messy between me, my parents, and also the people around my house. वो मुझे बोलते थे कि शबाना बिगड़ गई है, अपने बच्चों को मुझसे दूर रखते थे, especially girls. Yes, it happened. They saw me a difficult, disobedient rebel and stubborn. They wanted me to sit at home and study so that I can get married off as soon as possible, क्योंकि मैं तो बिगड़ रही थी. And the counseling I received from Karm at that point of time was something that kept me going, something that did not allow me to give up. It was my mentor, Amitav sir, and Vinita ma'am who said to me कि बेटा लड़ने से तो कुछ नहीं होगा, लड़ो मत, बस काम करो, मेहनत करो, क्योंकि ये मेहनत ही आगे चल के सफलताएं लाएंगी और ये सफलताएं ही लोगों का चेंज कर देंगी. एक दिन आएगा जब सब ठीक हो जाएगा. And it really happened. A few months before I graduated from Karm, something shifted. My work started speaking louder than the noises around. People saw me flying with the bright colors. The people who were seeing me as rebel saw my capabilities, which led them to be my biggest supporter. They saw me not just receiving one job offer, but 2 job offers. They saw me earning a full scholarship for my higher studies. And my parents, who stopped me from wearing jeans, are now the ones who encourage me to stand tall in anything that I wear today. And the people who mocked my parents now says to my parents कि मैं अपनी बेटी को भी बोलती हूँ शबाना के जैसे मेहनत करके पढ़ाई करे, तभी तो वो भी अपने घर की फर्स्ट जनरेशन लर्नर बन पाएगी और हो सकता है अच्छे से पढ़ेगी तो आगे MBA भी कर पाएगी. Yes, and this was my story. My life has taught me a lot. And here are some of the learning that I want to share with you all. That your work speaks louder than the words. So don't speak, just work hard, because your success will bring changes and it will something that will change people's mind. And second, that life is unpredictable. You don't have any control. So all you can do is work hard, because I believe there's a power who sees your efforts and determination and give you what you really deserve, the way that God or power did to me. And last, that Karm and people at Karm don't wait for things to happen. They make things happen. And before I leave, I just want to say that 2 years ago, if somebody would have told me that I would be standing here speaking confidently, I would have laughed, क्योंकि इतने बड़े तो मेरे सपने भी नहीं थे. And if my life proves anything, it is this, that no matter where you come from, you always have the right to dream big and bring your dreams into reality and rewrite your own destiny. Thank you.